I get it, that's fine.
Well, one caught it. Always lands right in their mouth.
I want to shoot so I can get you, Bella. Oh, that's awesome.
Uh-oh.
Go ahead, Bella.
Oh. Oh, got it.
Go trade, feed him, baby.
Alright. The ultimate grand finale. The million pieces of bread in the middle of a giant flock of birds. Dad, you should have caught that. They hit themselves on the big grass trying to get it.
That's pretty awesome.
I don't
See, if you live in Florida,
like
you get bored with this, but when you visit, it's okay.
Oh, so gross.
Cold trade, I think they're gonna just pick. I think they're just.